Hi everyone, my name is Kenny. For my online sharing, I'll talk about this software known as Knowledge Forum. It is based on the knowledge building theory. Alright, some description about this cognitive tool. Basically, a Knowledge Forum is a CSCL software designed to support the process of knowledge building. Knowledge Forum provides students and teachers with a unique collaborative space in which to share ideas and data, organize course materials, to analyze research results, discuss text, and to cite reference material. Knowledge Forum is appropriate for any ages from as young as kindergarten students to graduate students as well. It is also allowed users to create a new knowledge building community. Each community creates its own knowledge base in which it can store notes, connect ideas, and rise above previous thinking. So basically, if your goals are building your community knowledge, then this is the right application for you. Let's look at some of the affordances. In terms of the pedagogical affordances, it basically supports inquiry-based and collaborative learning. External links and instructional materials can be added as well. Individual contribution is able to be monitored in group work, and of course it supports knowledge building through communal creation and improvement of ideas. And of course it also support inquiry-based learning through questioning and seeking resolution. As for social affordances, safe environment of closed community basically is password protected. Posting can be moderated and removed as well by the teacher. It promotes interaction and communication. Student participation is highly encouraged and monitored too. Basically, the profile of the teachers and the student will be shown as well. And of course, it allows for asynchronous discussion and synchronous check at the same time. For technical affordances, basically it's quite an easy to learn software where navigation is easy as well. And of course, there are information provided on how to use this program. Minimal computer setup in terms of the hardware and software is needed, and of course, uh, the manipulation of the function is pretty quick and efficient too. Okay, now let's take a look at the demonstration of this software. So this is the Knowledge Forum 6 user interface. First, we have to log in. Okay, enter the community. And under the view management, okay, let's look at Introduction to Algebra for Secondary 1 students. So as we can see, there are many notes and links here. Let's take a look at one of them. For example, student E is asking, why do we use letters in algebra? Student E will be saying, yeah, of course, I think besides letter, there are numbers too. Student G will have researched that, yes, I know that the numbers are called coefficients, and letters are also known as variables. While student F has possibly another thought, he can quote examples like, yes, 2x and 4ab are some examples. So the teacher can actually round up this simple, you know, inquiry session by saying, well done, both student F and G. You are right on what you say. So in fact, there are three other examples which you can look at over here. Okay, let me try to show you how it actually works. So for example, I'll create a new node. Just click on this button, and it takes a while to load. So let's say as teacher I have a new question. Is 5x equal to 5 plus x? Please answer. I can write more information here. So by contributing, the node will actually just appear on the screen. So let's say a student want to reply to this. You will click on the node itself, and the window will appear again. So under it, you can click on build on. Say this is student 1. He says no. Why? Based on his theory, if x is 1, then 5x is 5. Wow. 5 plus x is 6. That's why no. So it contributed and a link has been established. So now let's say I have a student 2 who thinks otherwise. So you will open up the window again. Okay, and build on it. It's probably going to say that yes, and insist there is a better theory when he solve this equation. So when 4x equal to 5, x equal to 0.8. That is why I say yes. So you could contribute it as well. Finally, there could be another student who, who doesn't agree with both of them and has his points of view. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, same thing. He will be on it again. Okay, let's call him student 3. He comes up with new information. It depends. So his theory is I will say it depends on the value of x. If x is lesser than 0.8, okay, means 5 plus x is bigger than 5x and vice versa. So by this inquiry method and knowledge building in a sense, we actually find out that 5x is not necessarily equal to 5 plus x. It actually depends. So it's not a definite yes or no answer. So this is my simple demonstration on how knowledge forum is actually used as an ICT connective tool in the areas of secondary school mathematics. Thank you. I hope you guys have enjoyed the simple demonstration. Basically, how this software is used to facilitate connection is basically based on the knowledge building principle. In terms of improvable ideas, students' ideas are actually regarded as improvable objects, so more improvable ideas come along the way. Idea diversity. In the classroom, the diversity of ideas raised by students is necessary, which will build the knowledge in return. Rise above. Through a sustained improvement of ideas and understanding, students actually create higher level of concept. Epistemic agency. Students actually find themselves, their way in order to advance the knowledge collectively. Community knowledge. It is a collective responsibility of the student to contribute in order to improve the collective knowledge in the classroom, which is the primary purpose of the knowledge building classroom. In terms of democratizing knowledge, all individuals are invited to contribute to the knowledge advancement in the classroom. So as long as everyone start to contribute, yeah, we are moving forward. Symmetrical knowledge advancement. A goal for a knowledge building community is to have individual and organization actively working to provide a reciprocal advancement of their knowledge. Constructive use of authoritative sources. All members, including teachers, sustain inquiry as a nature support to their understanding. And finally, knowledge building discourse. Students are engaged in discourse to share with each other and to improve the knowledge advancement in the classroom. Okay, with all these nine building principle, basically, knowledge forum is indeed a cognitive tool which will help students to advance their knowledge. Now, the outcomes and takeaway from implementing this tool. By using knowledge forums, students actually felt that they have a greater control of knowledge acquisition instead of just relying on the teachers. Students also felt that they acquire knowledge through thoughtful research and also have a better understanding from thorough thought process. When classmates discuss together, they actually negotiate and also apply critical thinking skill along the way. They collectively build knowledge which is rather, impossible on their own. Some of the things that teacher felt is that knowledge forum is as a connective tool is actually a better way to engage student, rather than face to face classroom direct instruction, which is mainly a one way traffic. So basically, I come to the end of my sharing. Thank you very much.